Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today we'll show you how you can shut down your computer using a shortcut on your keyboard. So the first thing to do is go to your desktop, click right click, and then click on show more options. Now select new and select shortcut. Now type in shutdown. I will pass this command in the description. So this 0 means the time that the computer will wait in seconds after the shutdown. So 0 means immediately. If you put 60, for example, it will wait for 1 minute. Next, name it, and now the shortcut is ready. Now we need to assign buttons that will run this automatically. So click on property, and for shortcut key, as you can see, we are going to assign, for example, shift and F1. Okay, you can click on the button that you want to assign. In my case, I did click on the shift plus F1. You can choose whatever combination that you like. You can choose shift F2 or control F2, whatever you like. I will leave it shift F1 because I don't use that in any software. Then you click on apply and OK. So now whenever you click on shift F1, the computer will automatically shut down and immediately and make sure that all your files and everything is saved before clicking on those buttons. I hope this helped you to shut down your computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like and a comment. Thank you for watching.